Yo, what is up, everybody? My name is Kelvin, and today we're going to be going over how to verify your domain on Google if you have hostgator. So first things first, I want to show you guys the screen that I'm looking at, because this screen is where you're going to end up on after you fill out everything that Google requires when you start your Google Workspace account, or it's going to give you instructions on how to verify your domain on hostgator. But we're going to go through all of that together. That way you know what to look for, what to click on, so that way you can set up your email and get to business. So after this page, you want to go to hostgator. I have it ready to go on my end here in another tab, and you're going to log in like you normally would. So once you're in, you want to click on hosting. You want to go to manage, and then you want to find the C panel. Go to your C panel. From there, you want to head over to zone editor. From zone editor, click on manage. Once you click on manage, go ahead and click on add record, and it's going to be text record. So you want to go to the type, click on the drop down arrow, click on text, go back over to Google, go to step 2, copy the key they're giving you, paste it, type in your domain here, click save record, go back to Google, click on protect domain. It should verify. Might take a while. Give it a second here. And then you're going to get a notification just like this saying that it was verified. From here, you want to go click on continue. And then you could do the second part if you have additional users. You can always come back to it later. But if you're just a one-man army right now, or you're just trying to get your email set up, you can skip this part, click on activate on step 3. Just click I'm ready to activate Gmail. So same steps. You want to go to step 2 from here. And this time it's going to be an MX record. So a lot of the steps are going to be the same as the one before, but we'll go through them again. But the difference is that this is an MX record. So from here, we want to delete the current MX record. So here we want to get rid of this one. Continue. Go back to Gmail. Then from here, you want to copy this. Go back here. Add a record. Remember, it's an MX record. So in the priority section, you want to enter 1. And then in the TTL, you want to follow this format. This is fine, 14400. Then the destination, you want to put that there. Save record. Come back, activate Gmail. And then you got to wait for it to check. And ta-da. Just like that, it'll update and let you know that your MX records are good. You can now start using Google Workspace. Finish. And then we can just skip for now because we want to get to the email part. So from here, we want to click on the 3x3 menu here on the top right. You want to click on Gmail. From here, we want to go ahead and click on compose just to kind of see. And then we can send ourselves test, send. There it is, it works. So there you guys have it. That's how you set up and verify your domain on Google Workspace if you have hostgator. If you have any questions on how to do it, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Peace.